Huntsville is next in the storm's path with an ETA of approximately 14 minutes. A tornado has been observed on the ground with strong rotation indicated near Meridianville. The rotation velocity is holding steady at 60 meters per second. Heads up! Alert upgraded for Limestone County. Severe thunderstorm watch upgraded to severe thunderstorm warning. Heads up! New severe thunderstorm warning issued for Limestone, Madison. You now have 13 active threats. Severe thunderstorm warning for Jackson, Limestone, Lincoln, Madison. Severe thunderstorm watch for Colbert, Coleman, DeKalb, Franklin, Jackson, Lauderdale, Lawrence, Limestone, Lincoln, Madison, Marshall, Moore, Morgan. A severe thunderstorm warning is now active for Limestone, Alabama,